Hi friends, this is Hands-on Algebra, lesson number 5, and we can call this the Takeaway to Simplify lesson. Make sure you got your math notebook and you write what I write. In this example, we're always going to start with a written form of the equation. So here we go. Here's the first example I'd like you to write down and practice with me. 5x minus 3x plus 2 equals x plus 5. And I want you to pay attention to this right here. This is the first time we've seen subtraction show up in an equation. When we see subtraction, we do it. So the way to deal with this in our materials and in our thinking is to take away the 3 x's. So start by building 5x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we do the taking away that it tells us to do. We're going to take away 3x right away. Here are 3 x's, and I've taken them away. Whoop. Now I can keep building plus 2. And on the other side, I have an x plus 5. So you can see by doing the subtraction right away that I'm left with 2x plus 2 equals x plus 5. And I'm going to write that down. I'm always going to write what I have left. 2x plus 2 equals x plus 5. You know, you might also see it because you see you have 5 x's take away 3 x's. And if you looked just at the numbers, 5 minus 3, you get 2. You could see it mentally that way. But when we have the materials, we take away the 3 x's. And now we can solve it like we would solve anything. I'm going to draw this. Remember, if they give me written form, I draw it. And I'm going to show what I've done so far. I started by drawing 5 x's, and then I have 2, and then I have x, and a 5 on the other side. I'm going to show that I took away 3. And then I can see that I have left here exactly what I have up here. Okay, now we're going to solve like we learned in the last lessons using our takeaway rules. I can take away numbers from each side. What would you take away? I'm going to take away 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 5 minus 2, it's 3. I can show that. In my picture. Now I ask myself, can I take away x's? I sure can. I can take away an x from each side. I'm left with x equals 3. That's our answer already. X equals 3. When you go to check this, it's okay to check it back here after you've done the subtraction. If you want to, you can go all the way back here, but this is a little abstract to do, so you can take this as your original setup and plug it in. There's a small risk that we've made a mistake, but just a small one. So this is my setup after having done the subtraction. Let's try 3. 3 and 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And 3 plus 5 is 8. We found the right answer. X equals 3. Okay. I'm going to do one more example so that we practice this taking away to simplify. You're going to hear that word simplify a lot in algebra. It just means to combine things that can be combined, and what you have left then is simpler than what you started with. You may have heard that word using fractions too. Here's example number 2. 2x plus x minus x, there it is, plus 1 is equal to x plus 9. There I see a subtraction, so I'm going to do that when I set it up. 2x plus x, and then I take away the x, zoink, and then I add 1 equals x plus 9. Okay, so remember to write down what you have after you've done the subtraction. I see now that I have 2x plus 1 equals x plus 9. I'm going to draw my picture. I had 2 x's plus x, and then I took it away. Plus 1 equals x plus 9. This is the equation I have after I've done the subtraction. Now I can solve it just like I would solve all the other equations I've been doing. I use the rules I have. I can take away numbers from each side. What are you going to take away? Let's take away 1 from each side. 9 minus 1 is 8. And I can take away an x from each side. I'm left with x equals 8. There's our answer. Let's check it by putting it back into this equation. Remember, that's the one where we already did the subtraction. Eight and 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. 8 plus 9, I sure hope it's 17. Yeah, it is. We know that x equals 8 because we got a true statement at the end. So my friends, this is the taking away to simplify rule. It just means that when you see subtraction, you do that, and you can take x's away from each other, and that's what we have learned to do in lesson 5. Now it's your turn to go do the practice. So you can see on your practice sheet that all of these are in written form, but pay attention to where you see the subtraction and you do it. And then you can solve like you've always done. Here's the subtraction, minus 2x in this equation. So you're going to do that minus 2x. Okay, good luck, have fun. Algebra rules.